What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is working on the go-kart. I think what we're going to do is probably get the seat all settled in, maybe try to heat that up and try to bend it back into the normal thing. What we're going to be working on today is not going to worry about that. At least maybe you can get that welded on. If not, then I'll do next video. All depends what time I get done. All we gotta do is just heat up this joint right here, and then just force this thing down so that it's even, like that one right there is. So I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if he hit something and then he jerked around in it. I cut this out because it was falling through. As you can see, it snapped off right there. So I cut it off and I was gonna just weld it back onto it again when I get a chance. But let's get going. Let's get going on working on the seat right now. All right, guys, I got the headband on. Now, let's get her ready here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here, keep it like this. I'm probably gonna get something to put underneath there. All right, so I got a piece of wood underneath there. So for now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna heat this joint up with the acetylene over there. And then I'm gonna take my foot, hold it like this, and just try and see if I can push it down like this without a hammer for now. And hopefully this bends easy. Actually, you know what? Let me get a clamp for that, actually. Alright, that looked like it bent right. I just gotta get this on here so it doesn't warp or anything. So, I'm gonna let this thing cool down, because then maybe I'll even do, I'm probably gonna weld that, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, weld that onto here. Let's wait for this to cool off, and go from there. Alright guys, so I got this all welded up. I also sanded it down so it just looks flat right there. I did I have a flux welder, so it sucks, but works as long as it keeps it together. That's all that counts. You cooled off. You cooled off. You cooled off. I hate when it does that. And now she sits pretty flush right now. Not perfect, but you know, better than what it was. Not a big leg sticking up here and everything. But yeah, I guess now what we'll do, we'll just weld this thing on. Oh, 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 oh. Well, that's fun. Alright, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. That'd be it for this video for now. Leave a like, and leave a comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, that'd be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe to the channel to support the channel, and that'd be it. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so here's the finish. Doesn't look pretty. Once again, it's a Harbor Freight welder, so it's hard to control it. But other than that, it came out decently. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it up more another day probably. Cause I gotta go do some schoolwork, stuff like that. But other than that, it came out pretty nice. So she's not as rocky anymore. Well, she needs to be screwed in and she's pretty straight, so. Yeah, so that's that. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think. Leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to support it. I'll see you guys in the next one.